Hi, I just wanted to get you up to date with what we're doing here in sixth grade, specifically with our chapter 5 presentations. So you can see from this video right here that we have them on two separate days. The first day, Rafi is going to present an intro. Huvi also will have a presentation on Abraham and Moses. Razel on a distinct culture. Sammy on beliefs and texts of Judaism, and Sherelle will report on document-based questions, writings from the Hebrew Bible. Now, that's Tuesday, that's tomorrow. On Thursday, Ari will report on Israel and Judah. Eli will flip the classroom on exile and return. Itai will speak to the diaspora, and Aaron will have a presentation on National Geographic Explorer Beverly Goodman and uncovering the story of Caesarea's port. So that's what we have coming up now. Specifically what that means, I just wanted to keep you in the loop, let you know what was going on is the students each have an oral presentation rubric that covers a certain categories. So to earn a 4 out of 4 on comprehension, the student is able to accurately answer almost all the questions about the topic. For preparedness, to earn a 4 out of 4, the student has to have prepared, shown that they're prepared, and obviously have rehearsed. And then we also grade based on how attentive they are to each other's, how well they stay on topic. For vocabulary words, we really key in on academic language and try to make it so that students are defining these words as they present. Words that they may know, but their classmates may not know too. And there's a constraint with time limit. Also, I ask that the students write out 3 multiple choice questions that I will use for a test later on to see how well other people listened in. That's what we're looking at here for what is expected of them, and this is clearly communicated to them. You can help them with this. Now here is an example of a text. Just to be clear, I like to flip the classroom when it comes to the study of the Hebrew people, because let's face it, students probably know more than I do about this topic, but there's always more to learn. So they present to each other, and this is one example under Abraham and Moses and what you can find in the text here. You can find some of the words of note to be highlighted or bolded. So they would go over this, maybe calling each other to read and to assess them, to ask these questions to see how well they understand what's going on. So now you know what's going on and what we're doing in a typical class when we flip it, and just how well your students are doing. Great, by the way.